Hello guys and hi everyone, this is Chayan here and welcome to my crazy coupon cash review. So this is the members area of this tool and thank you that you are watching my video. So let's get into the product. Before getting into the product, let me show you this page. You can click on the description link to get redirected to this page and you can get the product with my best bonuses. You can click on this button or there are two more buttons to get redirected to the product sales page. From there you can get the product with my best bonuses. So if you by chance don't want to lose my bonus and just bonus time is expired, just knock me here before purchasing the product, or you can knock me after purchasing the product. I will be obviously give you the bonus. So let me show you the product now. So as you can see, the coupon is mentioned in the product name. This product is totally dependent on coupon. If you are a newbie marketer, I will highly suggest you don't take this product. Like, this is not for you. This tool is totally made for the people who has an email base, who can run solo ads, that kind of stuff. I think not solo ad is not for a newbie, and no newbie can run solo ads, and also the email marketing stuffs. So you need to use the coupon codes to give some 5 products. Like, this is the product. This is one of the 5 products, named as monkey mailers. So this was a product who got that deal of the day from Warrior Plus, who got awarded the deal of the day from Warrior Plus. So this product can be sold for price 4.95. This product was launched within $17 or exactly $17. But for this time you can make it free. Sorry, this product was launched within $14.95. You can give them 10% discount to your customer, 10% discount, and you can sell them within 4.95 and keep the 4.95 totally inside your account, 100% commission. And you can give the price for $1. Like, you can give your customer this coupon to get the product within $1. And if you sold out 20 plus product, then it will be like $20 inside your account. And you can also give them free of charge, but you can take their email. Like, you can run solo ads, you can use solo ads. This product is totally made for solo ads and list building, property, for growing your email list. This kind of product can help you very much to grow your email list. Like, take the approval of this product and use the coupon code and just shoot the email. And people are highly prone to get this kind of offer, to purchase this kind of free stuffs and give their emails, that kind of stuffs. Okay, so don't believe me, just check out the results. So this is the owner of this tool, and the live case study video is given inside this product. You can see here, when he just shoot an email to his customer that only for 3 people this coupon code will work, and this is the result. Okay, so this is the result. Total 11 sales within less than 24 hours. So that can you do also. You can also sell them. You can also sell your customer. You can also sell your solo ad emails. Okay, so that is the thing. That is how you can grow your list in a very fast way. You can give also the free stuff and just make your list, just grow your leads. People are always tends to get the free stuffs. That is why you can make your list very playfully and very rapidly. Okay, so that is the thing. And also don't forget to give them this screenshot or use this coupon code section to get the discount. Sometimes they just overlook it. So you can also put this screenshot inside your email list. I am putting my cursor away, so you can take the screenshot and give them give this image inside your email to use the coupon code. You can highlight this section and you can give them, like use the coupon code and take it free, or you can want to earn also $5, you can give them within 4.95 cents. So that is the thing of this tool. And the live case studies are given, if I am not wrong, it is given inside the it is given inside the training section. As you can see, inside training section 2 live case studies are given, and coupon codes for 5 products, each of them are given, and resources are given, some bonuses, some pretty much usual stuffs, bonus upgrades and conclusion. So there is nothing much to show you inside this product. So that was the product. And what you can do, that you can get the product from this page very easily. Like for this kind of product, sale must come for this product, because this is totally free, and you can send it out to your list, to your solo ad customers, and you can earn money. You can also grow your list. So that is the button that can redirect you to the product. And also 3 coupons, one for 50% discount, $1 and free product. So these are the descriptions of this tool. And also this product costs $12.95, and get the product, get the coupon codes, and just push an email to your customer to grow your list, or to give the customer within a very cheaper price. Okay, so that is the thing. And this is the bonuses. You can get the bonuses, the best bonuses from my side, from this page with this tool. You can also, if you are a newbie, you can also try this product, but don't forget to make a good funnel and also run the solo ads. That will help you very much. So if you purchase any of the upsells of this tool from this page, you will be given 350 plus more stuffs like mega bonus. Okay, so that is the thing. If you purchase any of the upsell, you will be given more software, more plugin, image pack and music tracks, doodle character pack, miscellaneous PLR product also for personal use. And that is the thing. You can check out your purchase history after purchasing the tool. Inside that, a button is given that is named as access affiliate bonus. So check out the bonuses from there. After purchasing it, you can click on this to get the product. So that was my opinion about this tool. I do not recommend it for newbie marketer, but if you're a newbie marketer, you can depend on solo ads to get the leads, to get the email, to grow your email. Like you really need an opt-in rate like 60%, 70%. You can get that kind of opt-in by using this product, by giving them free or in a very cheaper price. 5 products in a very cheaper price, like you can sold them for $1 or approximately $5, and you can get their emails. Okay, so that is the thing that can make you a very rapid grow inside your email list. I am signing out for this video. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.